All right, fun day so far today. Fishermen Outdoors. Check it out. We're at the Twin Lakes Catfish Kitchen here in Burns, Tennessee. And that's a pretty cool little sign right there. But we're gonna come here tonight, eat all you can eat quail. So what y'all gonna do tonight?
I'm eating quail.
I eat quail.
What are you eating tonight, Larson?
Quail.
I mean, dove is good too, but we're gonna eat some quail tonight. Looks like you, Landry.
I'd shoot that thing if it was real.
I know you would. So you can get all you can eat. You get quail, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, biscuits, and gravy.
Biscuits are gravy. I don't like biscuits and gravy.
No?
I don't like coleslaw by itself either. I'll eat it in white beans.
$15.95. Oh, you can eat quail.
It's got frog legs on here.
Hey, you like them hush puppies? Yeah, what do they taste like?
Clouds.
Huh?
Clouds.
Clouds? Yeah, that's a good description of it, right?
Yeah, they just melt you out.
They do melt in your mouth. Here at Catfish Kitchen, all you can eat quail, you can coleslaw, mashed potatoes, biscuits, gravy. But we got some good hush puppies, good coleslaw. You see the coleslaw? It's good and sweet, mayonnaise coleslaw. Got a good taste to it, got a sweet taste to it. All right, before we eat, we always say the blessing. So, who wants to say the blessing tonight? You? All right, go ahead.
Heavenly Father, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for the wonderful day they provided us with. Thank you for letting us catch fish today. Thank you for letting us get home safely. Thank you for letting us get here safely. Bless the hands that prepared this meal. Thank you for providing us with a meal and help us to get home safely. Help us to have a wonderful night of rest. We praise you and we worship you. And in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. All right, hey, what'd you get?
Frog legs.
Frog legs. They look pretty good. They look like they're good and cooked, though, don't they? What about you? What'd you get?
I got shrimp and french fries and hush puppies.
Sweet. So here's the quail. Look up at me. Good clean meat. Oh yeah, very good. Dark meat, a little salty tasting, which is what I like. Good clean taste. It's good. All right, big guy. How was those frog legs? You about ate them up, didn't you? They good? What was your favorite tonight?
Quail.
Quail?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to agree. Although I do like the frog legs, but you can see my quail is just rubbish. It's just a bundle of bones.
Yeah.
So, but we're about wrapping it up here.
I like the quail better.
So, what do you want to say?
Thank you for watching Fishermen Outdoors. If you haven't already, click that like and subscribe button down below. See ya.